Hey, good morning. My name is Justin Lyman, Service Manager at Lexus RiverCenter.
And I'm Alec.
Alec and I were talking the other day. We get a lot of phone calls about this situation. It's Monday morning, you're on your way to work, just snowed, never fails, your key fob battery's dead. So today, Alec and I are going to show you how not only to get in your vehicle, but how to start it as well. So what Alec's already done is he's actually removed the battery from the key fob. So there is no battery in here at all. And we're going to show you how to get into your vehicle, and then Alec's going to show you how to start it up. So on your key fob, you'll see this little metal shank right here on the side. There's a little button I can pull down with my fingernail. Once I do that, I can pull this out, okay? And if you look closely, this is a previous generation IS, but a lot of our models are very similar. You can see that there's a mark right here, and this, when you pull the door handle, doesn't do anything, doesn't move. So underneath here, there's a small rectangular slot, if you will. I'm gonna put the key in there and just kind of put it up there, and I'll pry this, and you'll hear it pop. Maybe, there it goes. You're not breaking it, it's designed to pull away. Once I get that off, there's your way to get in. So just put the key in there just like any other door and unlock, and you're in. Here's the key for you.
I'm going to show you how to start the car. You're just going to get in and use the Lexus logo and just press it up against the push start button. And then you're going to want to press the brake and then this button at the same time. And it should start the car. That's easy.
Okay, so the next question becomes, this is an older model IS, ES, they're all very similar. The new models are similar but different, so follow me, I'll show you. This is a brand new NX, similar idea, okay? If your battery were to die, you know it's gonna be on that Monday snowy morning. If you open this up, the car's unlocked, so it's gonna pop open, but you can actually see that there's a little cylinder for you to get the key in there. Can you see that okay? So I just put the key in there, if this were the correct key, turn to unlock. And then same thing that Alex showed you, you just put the key fob next to the start button, push, you're off and running, then you come down here or call me and get yourself a new battery. So that's it. If you got any questions, don't call me, call him, and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks for watching. Take care.